She's gonna clean up for me. Oh, why I do this to myself? I drink. Cheers.
The risk taker. And up till now, we do not know how those eggs are cooked on the inside. Yeah.
Should we find out?
Yes, please.
Right. Ready, husband? So annoying. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Korean fried chicken, everybody. Multiple requests have come through, and I've stolen a recipe from my good friends who are Korean. Where? Chicken wings. So I've got chicken wings and chicken legs, drumsticks. I've marinated them in buttermilk, a little bit of paprika, salt and pepper, cornstarch, and plain flour. Dun-dun. Here we go. This is how we do it. More paprika, about half a teaspoon. Mix it about. Oh! Story of my life. Right, we're gonna. A bit of salt and pepper in the batter as well, because you don't want it to be plain Jane. You want it to be a bit jazzy. Right, let's just mix it about. That's the dry rub. Egg wash, eggs. Let's do 4. And then if we need any extra, then there's 1 left. Beat it. So this is gonna be our production line. Chicken, flour, eggs, and then Doritos! The trick to crispiness is these guys, but we're using Flamin Hot today because we feel like it. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. Let's crack it up. Give it a nice Thai massage. Oh yeah. The trick is 1 dry hand, 1 wet hand, but that doesn't always work out. I'm gonna put a couple in, give it a nice little shake. Nice and coated, lovely. Shake off any excess flour, dunk it in the egg. So then we use this hand, the wet hand, get nice and coated. Ooh. And then straight in with the Doritos. Get it nice and covered. Look at that beauty. Woo woo. It goes into the tray. Right, and you just continue this until it's all done.
You put Panko with that, don't you?
Yeah. Put a bit of Panko in here. Quick. Quick!
Quick!
Husband, I forgot Panko. Can you put... Quick! Get some Panko! Quick! I forgot to put the Panko breadcrumbs in with the Doritos, so I'm going to add some now. Dunk these little guys back in, just for a bit of crumbage. You don't need to use the Panko, but the Panko kind of gets into all the nooks and crannies that the Doritos don't really get into. Go, it's lovely. Hello, are you helping? Panko, Panko. Wow. Straight in. New tray. Quite a lot of chicken here, guys. Doesn't have to be this messy. Just a messy gal. Right, perfect. Now we're gonna take that to go fry. Let's go. Let's start the sauce. Little pan, heat on, and we're just gonna pop the onions in, and we're gonna sweat it. It's a very simple sauce. Just sweat down the onions. Depending on how hot you want it, you put gochujang. So I would probably do about 1 big tablespoon, and then I'll do 3 tablespoons of honey. Sweat, sweat, baby. Kill you with red pepper paste, shall I? I'm gonna put a big tablespoon because I like it spicy. Honey. We'll see how we go without much first, and then if we need to add any more honey, we will. Oh, it smells lovely. Chunky sauce, eh? You can add a little bit of water as well. You gauge it. You can have it as thick, thin as you like it. If you like it thick, then you don't add water. If you like it thinner, add a little bit of water. It's very spicy today. You handle it. So we let that kind of melt all in. Wait, red sauce. Why I do this to myself? Right, we're gonna fry this in a pan. We use rapeseed oil because it gets a nice crisp on it, and we wanna shallow fry these gently. Time for a break. We're going in. One. That's much lovely. That's much better. Beauties. You just want it to be nice and golden. Try not to lose too many Doritos. Beautiful. When you're doing this recipe with the thin Dorito crust, you have to shallow fry it with an open pan. Make sure not to deep fry it, because when you do deep fry it, it just burns all the crust. So you don't really want it to be like that. Okay, this is what we want. Yes, yes, yes. 8 to 10 minutes here, just to make sure that they're nice and cooked. We wait. I drink. Cheers. It's got gin in here. Remember to keep turning them gently, just so they get even cook. So this one, see how that looks so perfectly golden? This needs to come out. We rest it. And you just keep on doing this. The bigger ones you have to do for longer. So like these drumsticks take a little bit longer to do. When I was growing up, did all the chicken frying for every house party, every wedding, every funeral. We were the chicken fryers. Shout out to all my chicken fryer buddies in Australia. These don't take as long. These little winglets, they don't take as long because they're a bit thinner than the little drumlets. Woo, 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 woo. These winglets are ready to come out. I would say about 4 minutes for these guys, because we're gonna finish them off again. So this is just to get the crust nice and juicy. You've got to be gentle with these guys. You've got to cook it with love. Don't rush it. You rush it, it's true. So much can go wrong. Woof, 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 woo. Take these out. Perfect. 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 Ooh, perfect. Perfection. Oh, love it. Listen. You hear that? You hear that? It's talking. Finish it off in the air fryer. Are we ready? Let's go. Open this little bad boy. Get these guys in. This is what makes them less greasy. Ooh, yummy, yummy. We put it into the air fryer for about 3 to 5 minutes so it can cook all the way through. So I'm gonna put this on at 180. There you go. Because I've got extra flour, egg, and Doritos here, I'm gonna make cheese balls. Sweezles, sweezles, where's my sweez? Let's do this. Gruyere. Gruyere, yeah, yeah. Right, knife. I'm gonna just cut these up into little cubes. Do the same as what we did with the chicken, but with cheese. It's gonna be freaking great. But because this is not wet, no. No, 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 no. Cheeky little bugger. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Da, 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 da. Go down, go down, go down. Covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bowls. Jeez. I'm gonna take this out quickly. Key to getting these as good crispy balls is I'm gonna add the Doritos and egg mix together to make it more sticky. Make these into bowls, proper bowls, sticky bowls. No wet hand, dry hand in this section. Squeeze into a ball. Doesn't matter if the cheese is exposed because it will just ooze. guy. Big cheese block, eh? Bit hard when the cheese blocks are so big. I promise you, it's gonna taste so good. Last cheese ball, now we clear up. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Bye-bye. Drum, wing, some sauce. Ooh. And that is my Korean fried chicken. You wanna try? Come closer. Look at that. How soft and white. And that's a wrap, guys, because I'm gonna eat all of these. Oh my god, cheese balls! This is what I made while the chicken was cooking. Let me show you, let me show you, let me show you. The cheese leaks into the oil, so then you get like cheese crumb. Look at that. Cheese and chicken. Where's my beer? And I'm back. Oh yeah. Cheese, chicken. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. So good. I'm not even kidding. These are so delicious. Have to try and give these a go. Tell me what you think. Come. Take it. Try.